Hello, Dave here from Waveland Outdoor Power, talking about the Stihl MS460. Here we have a brand new Stihl MS460 with a 25-inch bar. It comes standard with the Rapid Super chipper chain from Stihl. If you look around here to the back, you'll see the master control lever. This is used to control the choke, the fast start, as well as turn the saw on and off. If you flip the saw up on its side, you can see the new Stihl quick caps. You pop them up, quarter turn to the left, come right off there. No wrench required. You get ready to put them back on. If you look right here, you can see that there's a little notch that sticks up there. If you align that with that little triangle sticking up, that's where the cap will go down. You don't have to, you can put it in any place, but that's where it will go down. Once it goes down, slight down pressure, quarter turn to the right, lock it closed. Oil cap works the same as the fuel cap does. You might notice Stihl chain brake. This can be activated by your hand or by inertia. When it clicks forward like that, it immediately stops the chain. In order to release the brake, you want to make the brake touch the handle, just like this, and you're ready to go again. Back here we have the air filter. To get into the air filter, you loosen this knob right here, just like that. This whole thing comes off. You can see this unit is the newer Heavy Duty 2 H2 air filter. Has a special medium that is coated so it will last longer and keep the small debris and dust out of the engine better. No pre-cleaner is required with this air filter. That's your air filter. Goes on and off just like that. To get to the spark plug, you have to remove this right like that. Spark plug is right there. In order to take the boot off, you want to twist it a little bit as you remove it. And it will come right off. Well, it will. There we go. Get your spark plug right there. Just pop it back on there. Make sure it gets seated all the way down. This just goes right up under there like that. Fits right in that slot. Down like that. Then your air filter goes on. Cover goes on. Be sure you tighten this good and tight, as this pushes the air filter against the carburetor cover, and that's what makes it seal. Round over here, you can see 2 bar nuts. This is where you tighten your chain, side access chain tightener, tensioner. And that about does it. These are a large saw. They have 6.0 brake horsepower, a BHP. Normally used by professionals and people that want to cut a lot of wood fast. They are a little bit heavy. They weigh 14.6 pounds. That's just the power head, not including the bar and chain. If you have any questions or would like to talk about this saw, please don't hesitate to contact us. Give us a call, drop us an email, or better yet, stop by and see us. Thanks for your time today, and we'll see you later.